What is going on, everybody? I just got this package from EVGA. It's a GTX 780 backplate for my, obviously, GTX 780. So I'm going to be unboxing this and I'm going to be installing it for you guys. For anybody who wants to see how to install it or what it looks like with it installed. So let me just get this open. I'm not going to show you the front of it because it has shipping information, but yeah, it comes in this little sturdy packaged box. Try not to cut it too deep if you are receiving one of these, because it is in there and it's just protected by some I guess some styrofoam, bubble wrap. Oh, Jesus. Whatever. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the top of this, but it was 25 bucks with shipping $5, so you didn't see that. I should have. But so it comes in another package here. So I mean, it wouldn't be that bad if it cut a little bit too deep. These are the screws that it comes with. So it replaces your other screws, because the ones in here are Torx and these are just Phillips head, and they're a little bit longer. There's the back plate, nothing else in this little thing. Turn off the monitor. Okay, so let me get out of my chair here. So it comes with a how-to setup. Step 1, remove all the 8 screws shown. Remove the protective cover. I'm not actually going to do that. Oh wait. I get maybe there's one on the back. Nope. Just keep it on until you get it on the card, and then use the 8 screws to screw it back in. So pretty simple. I'm gonna I'll take that out for you guys. So here it is. It's just it's really light, little piece of aluminum. There's around here it's some thermal pads, and then there's these little things here, so it doesn't like shock it or jump to places. So yeah, there's that. And I'm gonna move the camera so that I could show you how to install it on your 780. Alright, so once you have your 780 out of your thing, your computer, and then you have your back plate, you're going to want to remove the 8 screws that are shown. If you are doing this anyways, you could just be watching this because you want to. I got this over here. It's 2 right there, 2 right there, this one, this one, this one, that one, and that one. So it's a Torx T6 screw. So that one's actually Phillips, but I'll get that after. But I'll show you these. Okay, so I'd recommend putting these screws that I have up here back into this baggie. This baggie comes with all the screws that you need. Yeah, like I was saying, there's these screws. I'm gonna dump them out here. I don't even know what's going on outside. I don't care. But yeah, you're just gonna want to take your back plate, Ooh, so go that way. I'm gonna put it like this just for the sake of having it what it would look like in your case. Place it right over all the screws. So like that. And then take this, oh my god. And then take the screws they give you, just plop them in there. Doesn't matter which one you put in which. So, yeah. Always keep the screws that you originally got the card with, just in case you have to RMA it, and if you have a back plate on it, they might think you broke it, so just put the take the back plate off, put the screws back on if you ever have to RMA it, and you should be good. So there's the screws. I'm going to keep them, and let's take off. Sorry if that took so long, it's weird. Camera angle and shit. Camera's right in front of it. So I'm gonna take off this little protective layer. And voila! That looks beautiful. It might not look as good on camera, but sure does look like a pretty card. So matches the that kind of a black theme. So there you go. Nice, pretty, says EVGA GeForce GTX 780. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in my PC really quick, and I'll be right back. So yeah, this is what it looks like inside my PC. Anyways, sorry for the water cooling. It kind of blocks. It's I need to fix it, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So yeah, looks pretty sick. So maybe it'll bring my temperatures down like a degree or two. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.